Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya. Today we are creating lavender look and I'm using this new palette from Mion. So the first step is to apply your moisturizer. I'm using my Lakme moisturizer. This is so freaking moisturizing. I have so much dried skin, so I'm gonna use Vaseline also for the better glow and for the better. Now I'm using my blemishes cream, which is BB cream, to hide my blemishes. And now I'm taking my foundation. One is the Color Essence Ivory and I'm mixing it with Lakme dark shade and covering my face properly. So this Vaseline step I do in the middle of my foundation. This is a great tip for the even base for dry skin people, and I have a lot of dry skin and even my full face is dry, so this is the best and the great tip to do between your foundation, and this will last your foundation as well, and it will look like that you have done a natural makeup and it doesn't look cakey with this. So you can yourself see how glowy it looks. Now I'm taking my concealer, MN concealer, and applying it onto upper lid of my eyes so that my shadow will stay for longer time. Now I'm taking my compact and applying it on the same. This will make your shadow last for the longer time. So we are going to do a lavender look. So for that, first I'm taking ombre light pink shade for doing on full of my eye so that it will give me more depth to the eye and it will enhance the color lavender. So yeah, so first I have done with the shade. Now I'm taking the lavender shade, which is quite in a side of purple, so the pink color will make it a little lighter. So this is the reason I used pink color in the bottom. So now you can see this purple lavender shade is so freaking gorgeous, and you need to blend it properly. Make sure to blend your shadow perfectly with the blending brush. And yeah, you need to blend it to the whole eye area and tap it in the middle, and you can see the final thing. Now I'm taking the sky blue color and filling it in my inner corners just to give a little bit of funkiness. So now I'm applying my liner. So I'm just drawing a simple plain eyeliner just to look a little open. This will make your eyes instantly wide. This liner is from Lakme Insta Liner. This is waterproof and it's so easy to apply. I never used any other liner rather than this because this is the best thing I have ever purchased, and this is, I guess, my 6th 7th bottle, and I really love the liner. It's also inexpensive, also it's budget friendly and also a good product from Lakme. So now you can see I'm done with my liner. Now I'm taking my Push Up Maybelline mascara and applying only single coat to my eyes because the shade is already so popping up the eyes. That's why we are not going to enhance a lot, otherwise it will look little gaudy. So that's why we're going to create it very subtle so that it will look more beautiful. And yeah, you can see how I'm doing it. I'm also applying on my lower eyelashes. This will make my eyes look wider. Now I'm taking brown shade and filling my eyebrows. So this is the dark brown color I'm using according to my hair. This is really important to fill your eyebrows because you can see the difference, how different it creates into your eyes. Yep, so I'm filling my eyebrows. You no need to do any trick or any something professional thing. You just need to go according to your eyebrows, and whenever you feel you have gaps, you need to fill the area with the eyeshadow. This is a freaking good tip. You no need to buy any individual products for each of your feature. You can make them use. Now I'm taking the concealer from MN. This is a very nice concealer and I'm just shaping my eyebrows. This step will make your face as you did a professional makeup, so make sure to do this step. This will instantly make you look great. Now I am putting the concealer into under eye area, my forehead, nose, chin and my cupids, and this step will make my face more concealed and more covered with even skin tone. So yeah, and now I'm taking my old mascara brush and just setting my eyebrows. This step will make your eyebrows set for the longer time and it will be sweat proof. And now I'm putting my compact all over my face to set my base and my makeup, concealer, everything whatever we applied. And this step will make you feel like you are done with the makeup. So the last two steps we are going to do, and which is so mandatory. So first I'm fixing my eyebrows. I have a habit to put caps into my eyelashes, sorry, because this will enhance the look of your eyes. You don't need to apply any fake eyelashes. Now I'm using my color bar pink color eye blush. This will make me look more pretty and more glowy. So you can see this has a little bit of shimmer, so you no need to require any highlighter. You can see this look is turning out to be so great. Now I'm taking a kind of a nude pink shade, and this is a pencil lipstick color. This stays for longer time. This is matte, so you can see this color is so freaking beautiful. Now I'm taking a brown Huda Beauty liquid lipstick and applying a little bit onto my bottom and my upper lip. This will set my lipstick. Now I'm taking the same shade and yep, after applying the lipstick my look is ready. So guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more videos like this. Write me in the comment section below you like